We're gonna go to Mickey D's drive-thru because I haven't done a drive-thru before. So today is gonna be the day. Where am I gonna get gas at? Actually, I know where I'll get gas at. Pretty sure I scared a few cars right there. I can't reach. I couldn't reach. Okay, I removed it, bitch. Yes, it's a debit card, motherfucker. It's a triple platinum. I said yes. Wait a moment. Wait for fucking 5 hours or what? Ooh, he dry. He getting the juice. You hear him? He's like, ah, 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 sick bitch. I better look around and see if anyone's fucking listening to my crazy ass. Damn, $10 make you holla. See, here in America, we have to fucking... I can't even put my head down all the way. We have to push that fucking plastic thing down, the rubber thing down, and then we have to hold the button or it won't go. Stupid fucking thing. Damn, 11:57. Fucking cray. Fucking cray. 3.4 gallons? I thought I had two. I thought I had a 2.5 gallon tank. What's up with that? I got a big ass motherfucking tank. Hi, guy. No love.
No fucking love from the popo. Come on, Light. I hope I triggered this bitch. Ew. Come on, Light. Show me some motherfucking love. Here, oh, hi, Scooby. Scoot up so we can trigger this light. Fuck you, Light. Fuck you, fucking Light. You better fucking turn. You better turn around and be hella pissed. Thank you, Jesus.
Damn helicopters going that way. I am not trying to race a fucking Hyundai. No thank you, but I'll take off faster than you at the light. Fuck yourself, bitch! And I'm turning, so nobody better get in my fucking way right now. Damn, dude, slow down before I follow you and beat your motherfucking ass, you fucking piece of shit. She's mad, though. Hey, can I get just a Big Mac and some fries?
One Big Mac and one large french fries?
Yeah. Yep. Thank you. She can't hear. Thank you. Can you throw the receipt away? Thank you. Ooh, sorry. Hi. No, thank you. Thank Thank you. Bye. Thank you for my food. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch for me. Watch for me. Thank you. Thank you. Come again. Oh, look. I can actually brake and not slide now. That guy was coming up hella fast. Should we make some noise under this thing? Of course we should. What a dumb question. Yeah, I'm on one today. I'm gonna touch this truck right here, but you can't see it. So I don't have my 360. I didn't fucking charge it last night. Back at Wizard. Oh, that was fun. Bye, guys.